Hello, I am Muhammad Wajid Raza, and today we are going to discuss the COUNTIF function in Excel. COUNTIF function is a slight modification of the function count. The COUNTIF function is used to count the values in a column or row with a specific condition. For example, suppose that in a column that contains data of different fruits, you want to count only a specific fruit. In this case, we use the COUNTIF function. For COUNTIF function, we use the formula is equal to COUNTIF and then parentheses range and criteria. So the formula requires two input. One is range and the other one is criteria. For range, you have to select the range of values which you want to count, and criteria is actually the condition that you want to implement. So let's practice. For example, we have the following data which have two columns. One is gender and the other one is income. In the gender column, we want to count the number of males in the whole data or the number of female respondent in the whole data. In this case, we can see that the total male respondents are 8 and total female respondents are 7. But how to count them in Excel? For this purpose, we need the COUNTIF function. So let's practice in Excel. So we have this data and we want to calculate the number of male and female respondents. For this case, you have to write is equal to COUNTIF, and then you need to give these two inputs. One is range and the other one is criteria. So for range, you have to select the column which you want to count, comma, and the criteria is male. Always use inverted commas for mentioning the criteria, and enter. Similarly, for counting the female respondents, we have to write COUNTIF. We have to select the range, which is the gender column, comma, and in this time we will put the criteria as female. Close the parentheses and enter. So this tells us exactly the number of male and female respondents in a data. You can use this function in a wide range of conditions and with huge data sets. Thank you so much.